On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What is up, Minitruck? Let's go to the Daily Planet in Lagrange. I don't know if I've ever reviewed that.
Breakfast!
I even talked the wife into taking you. Good, I got a camera woman. You can keep the window down on a ride and have your hand out.
Nope.
Hold my neuralizer up.
That's what he says?
Nope.
No?
It's cold.
Yeah, I'm kidding. Can see out back now. And my pulleys. Jeebus. Took the center. Daily Planet. You want to drive?
No.
No?
Nope.
We'll go up on the pond. You can drive up on the pond. I got the Healthy Start quesadilla, and you got the what?
Broccoli and cheddar omelet.
Broccoli and cheddar omelet. Let's see how it is.
A few moments later.
Well, mine was good. Yours good?
Yes.
1 to 10.
8.
Yeah, mine's an 8. That was good. That's a dirty Cherokee. Well, that was good. Different.
Yeah.
She liked it. She hit my horn?
No.
You're no fun. Try to avoid the potholes, but it's almost impossible. Hang on, big jump. Go ahead, pull right out. It's alright. No one's coming. Wow. I found a gas pedal now. Eddie Murphy's old house road. That's a lie. It's not a dead end. Just sit out in the road and check our phone. Should have hit the horn. This road's in bad shape. Run, squirrel!
With the back and forth.
Jeez, squirrel. Right. Yeah, the frost gets down and then it melts the top and then it's nothing but a big mud pie. Here comes Prime.
It's a noise.
My air compressor. Looks like 4-wheel drive time. West Mountain State Forest. Oh, look at that. Someone left a couch. Isn't that nice? You can go sit on it. Idiots. Ruin it for everybody. You remember this road now?
Yep.
I didn't lift the camera up because see all these branches? I suppose maybe I should lift it up a little bit. Wow, look at this ice. bet you it'd be fun trying to come up this. Breaking through the ice. An icebreaker. Still there. Woo, that was close. I went to go in and I hit my arm, I think on my, I don't even know how I did it, but it bounced up in the air and it was flying and I caught it.
Wow.
Holy mackerel. Now that whole video I can upload as a 360. And then if you take your cell phone and you look around, it'll turn so you can like look at everything. You ever try one of those 360 videos? I did one on that with my old 360 cam with the Minitruck and a motorcycle. 17-degree grade.
17%?
Same thing. 17% grade. This thing must be nasty. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I think we're off the ground on that one.
Yes! Felt the acid swing out a little bit.
How's a big hole?
That's what she said.
That's my joke, damn it.
Yeah, there's the farms. A Quiet Place movie was filmed there. And 2, A Quiet Place 2 they filmed there. We haven't seen that one yet. There's a big mini truck with a plow. Cab over. What? We got the road blocked. Oh, because that bridge. They must be building gates. That's what that pile of stuff is, because there's stuff over there too. To close that road off. Golf course. Someone lost their flashlight. Oh, it's still on. LED flashlight too. I think they said they were coming out here today, but I haven't seen any messages or heard anything. It's a little slicker today. Somebody was on here with their truck. Fun.
Going the other way?
Gotta be careful. Four-wheel drive drifting's a little more difficult. took my antenna off. I noticed at that time. This is their track. That motocross track that they race on in the videos. That's where Chris got stuck down in there, in the brook. What the hell is that? Little pumpkins? Would you like a picture of it? Yeah. I don't think it's gonna come out
A
good.
couple of those look like there's actual bulbs on it. Berry one.
Oh yeah. Yogi didn't come and get them. I can see I'm gonna have to come up through here. Oh wow, that's a good shot, huh?
Yeah.
Should have brought the good camera. And I can even get the chemtrail plane in the background.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, springtime, gonna have to come and clip them back. We're the one that did it last time. Chris and me.
So
Yeah, that's cool. It's all glisten. Clean the window a little. That's pretty wild. Good picture. Bunch of quads going that way.
Oh.
Follow them? Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.